Hello everybody, in this video I show how to make spicy fish sauce with palm oil. So let's get in. These are the ingredients I used: onions, tomatoes, palm oil, crayfish, iru, boiled mackerel fish, some scotch bonnet pepper. As you can see, this is everything I used. If you are new to my channel, this is Bodesi Kitchen and my name is Sharon. Welcome here. So to begin with, in a very clean pot, I added the fresh mackerel fish, as you can see, then seasoned with 1 seasoning cube. After that, I went in to add the onions, chopped onions, as you can see. After the onions, this is a mixture of curry powder, thyme and basil leaf. After that, I went in to add my salt to taste. After adding the salt, I added a very little amount of water. This will help to mix in the seasoning properly. After that, I covered and allowed it to boil for some time after giving it a very quick stir. After giving it a stir, I covered it and allowed it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, it's properly cooked now. The next thing to do is add in the tomatoes, onions and the scotch bonnet into my little mortar and pound it until it's roughly smooth, not very smooth. I'll show you guys. Just pound it roughly. After that, in a clean pan, add in the palm oil and allow it to get hot. As you can see, the oil is hot now, you can tell. So this is the chopped pepper and onions and tomato mix. So I added it into the hot oil and mix everything so that it can fry. So after adding it and it's fried a little bit, the next thing I'm going to do is add the iru. This is me adding the iru into the mixture and allow it to fry for some time. So it has been frying for a while now, it's almost dry. So I went in to add a generous amount of crayfish. So for this recipe you need a lot of crayfish because I won't be adding any seasoning cube, and the iru already contains salt, so there's no need for me to add salt again. You see, after that I just mix, and the next thing to do now at this stage is just to add in your fish. This is me adding the fish into the fry mixture. Of course the fish is much because of course it's fish sauce anyways, so very yummy. The food is ready. Our food is ready. This sauce goes with plantain, yam, if you want to eat it with rice, with bread. As for me, I had it with cocoyam and it came out lovely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel.